I missed it. Oh shit, that looks scary. Why do I keep missing it?
It's too slow.
Oh, shut up. Not like you can do any better. Hey, look. Oh, the wind's picking up. I missed it again. What is... Oh, you're kidding. Probably got a bit of it. Perfect place for a lightning to strike. I keep missing it.
Keep it at one spot. Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I'll shoot it at one angle and I'll shoot it at the other. But behind the tree.
There isn't gonna be... Oh shit! Oh, got that! Oh, you just missed it. That was amazing. I'll go for one more. Ah, the birds can't fly. This is funny. They get caught in the wind rift. Here he goes, here he goes.
Bro, what are you doing? Haha, my name's still on the car from like ages ago.
Come on, give me something. You know, those clouds get closer to us every second. This is like a preview for the next year.
2012, yeah.
Oh,
did you get that?
yes,
Was it
I
massive?
I think I did. Right on
Those clouds are getting close.
18 song about prostitutes?
Yeah, it is.
What?
18. The song.
Oh,
Yeah, it's about prostitutes.
Of course it is.
I just saw the film clip. Ah, it's racing now.
Come on, come on. Give me something good.
hey, I'll strike you instead.
And it'll be weird if it does it behind them. Look at them. Look at that.
Yeah, no,
Look at that. And then you got this.
That's 2011. That's 2012.
View. Oh, I got that. Alright, I'm going in.